Hello everyone. Today let's start a new topic which is money. So, what is money? Money is a medium of exchange, right? Can I put it that way? It's a medium of exchange. Okay, suppose if you go to a particular shop to buy a, a packet of chocolates, okay, the shopkeeper is not going to give it to you for free. He is going to charge you something in return of those chocolates, isn't it? So, what are you paying for, or what are you giving the shopkeeper in exchange so that you receive your chocolates? It is nothing but it's money, right? So, money is a medium of which you use to buy certain things. Okay, so money becomes an important part of our life. Okay, now there are various uh, denominations that we use for money. Okay, and the denominations which are widely used are, I have a picture for you over here, which is a penny. It looks something like this. I'll just zoom in if you want a little bit. Okay, it looks something like this. A penny, which is 1. Now, what is this 1? It is nothing but it is the worth of a penny. How much a penny is worth? It is equal to 1. Okay, likewise, a nickel. This is how a nickel looks like, and it is worth of 5 cents. A dime looks something like this, and its worth is $10. 10 cents, sorry. And a quarter looks something like this, and its value or worth is 25 cents. Okay, and this is a dollar bill which whose value is 100 cents, or you can say $1. Now there are certain symbols that we use for cents and dollars. Cents is denoted as this way, and a dollar is denoted as this way. So when I write $1, I will write it as this way. When I have to write 5 cents, I will write it in this way. When I have to write $1.05, I will write it as 1 a dot and 5 cents. Okay, so this is how we write money, and these are the various denominations that we use in our day-to-day life for money, for as an exchange of medium. Okay, now let's see some questions related to money. Okay, if you have $1, 3 pennies, and 2 quarters, how much money do you have? So it says $1, right? $1, 3 pennies, or 3 cents, you can say. Then 2 quarters. 1 quarter is how much we learned? 1 quarter is 25 cents. So 2 quarters will be 50 cents, isn't it? 50 cents. How much money do you have in all now? This 3 pennies is nothing but 3 cents. So I will write it as 3 cents. So now how much money do I have in total? I will add the cents together, which is 50 plus 3, which I get it as 53 cents, and this is $1. So I will write it as $1. and 53 cents. Okay. Now, suppose if I have, it's similar to the previous one. Okay. If you have 9 dimes and 9 pennies and gave 7 of your dimes and a penny to your best friend, how much money do you have now? So 9 dimes and 9 pennies. How much is 1 dime equivalent to? 1 dime is equivalent to 10 cents. So if I have 9 dimes, it is equivalent to 90 cents, right? And 9 pennies, that is 9 cents again. And you gave 7 of your dimes and a penny to your best friend. So 7 dimes is nothing but 70 cents and a penny, that is 1 cent. So in all you gave 71 cents to your friend. And how much did you had before? You had 99 cents, right? So now what is the final question? How much money do you have? So it will be 99 cents minus 71 cents, which is 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2. So it will be 28 cents. Okay, so this is how you calculate the money and you get your answers. Okay, so this is how the correct answer is 28 cents. Okay, I hope this is clear um, about the money. It was a simple and a short topic. Thank you.